Hello students, welcome to Narayana online classes. Today we are discussing in 10th standard mathematics in that quadratic equation in that assignment number 7. See the first question. So here the degree of the quadratic equation is. So what is the degree of the quadratic equation? If you know that based on the degree we have a different types of equations are there. If the degree of the equation is 1, if degree of the equation is 1, then we said that it is linear equation. If degree of the equation is 2, then it is a quadratic equation. If degree of the equation is 2, then we said that it is quadratic equation. Now the degree of the quadratic equation is 2. What is that? The degree of the quadratic equation is 2. So option B. Now the second question. Now second question, what is the curve of a quadratic equation? If we plot a graph of a quadratic equation, what is the curve we are occurred on the graph? So the shape of the curve. So see children here, if you plot a graph of a quadratic equation, so we'll get a one U-shaped curve. One U-shaped curve. This is X and this is Y axis. Then if you see the U-shaped curve, you will occur. So what is the shape of that curve? So the shape of the curve is a parabola. If you plot a graph of a quadratic equation, then we'll get a U-shaped curve. That the name of that curve is called a parabola curve. What is that? What is that? A parabolic curve. So option C. Now the next equation. Now the next question. See children, check whether the following equation is a quadratic or not. So the given equation is a quadratic or not. See here, now the given equation is given equation x plus 2 whole cube is equals to x square minus 4. Simplify this equation. It is a plus b whole cube. Then a plus b whole cube we can write it as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, right? Now so x plus 2 whole cube we can write it as x cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into x into 2 into x plus 2 is equals to x square minus 4. So here x cube plus 2 cube value is 8 plus 3 2s are 6. 6 into x is 6x. 6x into x is 6x square plus 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 into x is 12x, which is equals to x cube minus 4. If you see that x cube get cancelled, then here I am making as a order 6x square plus 12x plus 8 is equals to minus 4. Send minus 4 to left hand side, then 6x square plus 12x plus 12 equals to 0. See here, if you observe that the degree of the equation, what is the degree of the equation is 2. So the degree of the equation is 2, then we said that it is a quadratic equation or not? Yes, the given equation is quadratic. The given equation is quadratic. Coming to the next question. From the quadratic equation, if the product of two consecutive positive integers from the quadratic equation, so here the product of two positive consecutive integers. See children, now what he is given, let it be, let two positive consecutive integers are integers b. Let us, I am taking x and x plus 1. I am taking two numbers positive consecutive integers, that is x and x plus 1. So their product is how much? 240. Their product is 240. See children, here their product is 240. So x into x plus 1 is equals to 240. So x into x is x square plus x into 1 is x is equals to 240. So x square plus x minus 240 is equals to 0. See here children, x square plus x minus 240 equals to 0. You can solve this quadratic equation by using formula or factorization method, whatever it may be. You get a value of x. And now I am using factorization method. So 1 into minus 240 is 240. Then x square plus here 1 we can, I am write it as 16 minus 15 into x. 16 15s are 240. So 240 is equals to 0. Then x square plus 16x minus 15x minus 240 is equals to 0. I am taken as, in these two terms, x is common, so x plus 16, and I am taking as minus 15 as common, x plus 16 equals to 0. So x plus 16 and x minus 15 equals to 0. So if x plus 16 equals to 0, x is equals to minus 16, or x minus 15 equals to 0, x is equals to 15. See here we are obtaining x values are 2. What are the two values? Minus 16 and 15. Then what the value here we are considering? Minus 16 or 15? Which value we are considering? See what he is saying by the answer, by the question, he is saying that are two positive integers. So here it is a negative, this is a minus 16 is negative, so let it be, this is we are not consider. So minus 16 we are not consider and 15 we are consider. If so, x is equals to 15 means x plus 1, that is 15 plus 1, that is 16. So what are the values? What are the two positive consecutive integers? 15 and 16 are the two positive consecutive integers. Now coming to the next question. Find the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. So what is the roots of the given quadratic equation? You can use a formula or factorization method. It is a simple equation, that's why I am using a factorization method. So given quadratic equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. So 3 2s are 6. So if you are splitting the middle term, then their product is 6. So I'm 3x square minus 5, I'm write it as 3 plus 2. So 3 2s are 6 plus 2 equals to 0. So 3x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 2 equals to 0. In these two terms I am taking as x as common, 3x as common, then x minus 1, and minus 2 here is common, then x minus 1 equals to 0. So x minus 1 and 3x minus 1 equals to 0. See here, if x minus 1 equals to 0, x is equals to 1, or 3x minus 2 equals to 0, then x is equals to 2 by 3. What are the x values? X values are 1 or 2 by 3. These two are the solution of the given quadratic equation. Thank you, students.